ThreeDify Designer is a transformative new tool that will change the way you collaborate and communicate in 3D. ThreeDify Designer is a fast, intuitive, and lean 3D application that weighs in at less than 5 megabytes but is packed with features. Designer allows you to open and view 3D files in a wide range of popular formats, including Wavefront, Lightwave, 3ds Max, or CAD formats like STEP and IGES. It is an ideal tool for situations where you need to share 3D content and designs with clients and business partners. But Designer is more than a simple 3D viewer. It's also a full-fledged modeling and editing utility with a range of features for markup, measurement, and collaboration. And now we've taken the full power of Designer and made it available as an integrated part of your favorite Microsoft Office applications. ThreeDify Office Designer lets you embed 3D content in Excel spreadsheets, PowerPoint presentations, and Word documents. All of the features in ThreeDify Designer are available in Office Designer. For the first time ever, you can view, create, edit, and mark up 3D content right inside a Microsoft Office document. Adding 3D content to an Office document is as easy as inserting an image. Simply place an Office Designer instance on the page and then open or import the content you want to show. Or simply use Office Designer's modeling tools to create new content. You can include as many Office Designer instances in a document as you wish. Even better, all Office Designer instances are accessible from any Microsoft Office application. So you can open a 3D model in a Word document and then instantly create a table of all the sub-objects and dimensions in an Excel spreadsheet. Office Designer makes sharing 3D content simple and convenient. There are no external files to manage. All of your 3D content is saved right in the document, including any 3D textures. There's no need to manage material files and texture folders. All you need to do is place 3D instances in your document and save it. When you share a document, all of your 3D content is shared with it. Office Designer also supports Office Live, so collaboration at a distance is easy, and multiple contributors can work on the same document. The Designer products support a variety of viewing and rendering modes, so you can display everything from basic wireframes to smoothly rendered 3D models with textures. Designer's lighting and rendering tools allow you to change the background environment and adjust your lighting in your scene. You can also set arbitrary clipping planes to slice into the interior of objects, or simply make use of Designer's innovative Indoor Mode View mode, which allows you to explore the interior of complex objects. At the core of the Designer technology is a full-fledged 3D editor and modeling tool that allows you to create and edit 3D content right in the viewer window. It provides a range of object creation tools that can serve as the basic building blocks for model creation, and a variety of object and vertex level editing tools that allow you to transform shapes or edit existing models. Other modeling tools include a text mesh tool that lets you quickly transform text into a 3D object, a lathe tool for generating 3D shapes from a simple profile, surface creation tools that allow you to create solids or surfaces from 2D shapes, and a variety of Boolean modeling tools that allow you to create objects by combining shapes. While Designer isn't a replacement for high-end modeling tools like 3ds Max, it's quite effective for performing updates and edits where you need them. And with Office Designer, you can make edits to 3D content from right inside Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, and Excel documents. There's no need to use other software tools or to modify and re-import 3D content or CAD models. The Designer products also feature automation tools and a full-fledged developer SDK. Power users and coders can use Visual Basic or C# to script and automate all of the features of Designer or Office Designer. Developers can embed the entire Designer application in their own products or use the SDK to create custom importers or exporters for their own file formats. CAD industry experts say that for every designer or engineer who makes use of a licensed 3D CAD application, there are at least 10 other people who could benefit from being able to view or mark up the final CAD data. The problem is that the license cost for these products is often prohibitive. 3Dify Designer provides an ideal solution as a full-featured CAD viewer and editor that's inexpensive enough to implement company-wide. Office Designer makes 3D content accessible to everyone by making it part of ordinary office documents. 3Dify Office Designer makes collaborating and exchanging content with clients and coworkers as easy for 3D content and 3D CAD designs as it is for 2D images. Production managers for games and television can simplify the review process for 3D art and content by simply exchanging Excel spreadsheets with designers and producers. Architects and designers can share updates and design changes with their clients by simply sending them a Word document. Freelance artists and illustrators can use Office Designer to submit concept art to their clients as part of a PowerPoint presentation. Office Designer makes sharing real 3D content painless and practical in many situations where it simply hasn't been before. With Office Designer, you can show more, share more, and do more.